15 years, the roads have all been closed. We're isolated, we're denied medical supplies. Fuel and work are scarce, we build houses on our farms. The old men weep, the young men take our bars. We're packed like chickens in this town of block cement. I get a headache from the diesel when it rains the sewers too. I had no idea what much had done that until my older brother. I'm sorry, I can't continue. When people know they have no future, can we blame them if we cannot tame them? And when their hopes and dreams are broken and they feel they might as well be dead, as they go, will we forgive them if they take us with them? Nothing's ever simple, that's for sure. There are grieving mothers on both sides of the line, and everyone deserves a chance to feel the future. Just mine. Goodbye. But anyway you look at it, whichever point of view, for us to have to live like this, it just ain't right, it just ain't right, it just ain't right.
Nacional, Calella.